Hello, hello, hello. No intro today. Alright, let me see. I didn't do an intro on purpose because I want to see if that is what's triggering a copyright climb on my videos. Just do it official. What's up, man? Some of you guys, a lot of you guys were in this morning on the Discord. Dang. Zach, you're gonna have to give me a recap because you guys were killing it this morning, it looks like. What were y'all doing? Diparuski. Yeah, John keeps telling me to come in this morning. I should have come in this morning, right? Dang, there's my YouTube chat. Good morning, man. Everybody, just do it official. J Money, Dalton Jones, and Joe Montes. ABAOs should reach a new high today. Let me see it. Let me see it. It looks pretty good. Honestly, it does look pretty good. So, let me see. High of 1023. 1023. Big resistance there at that $10. We knew that one. So let me delete this line, this line, this line. And then a bunch of these down here that I don't really need. I'm only focused on that top end. Good morning, Urban Trades. Every trade LOX. Oh, they did? I thought you guys were killing it this morning. Good morning, Debbie. Good morning, Hanish. Good morning, Urban Trades. Ken, what's up, Ken? John. Let's all be careful today. So what'd you do, John? What did you do this morning? What did you do this morning, John? Well, APRN actually squeezed even more this morning to a new high. I wonder if this one gets some more movement this morning. So I'm going to put my new high there. And then I'm going to put just kind of an alert up here, 630-ish. If we start breaking that, we'll look for a new high. ILAG, kind of also there. Never got that 295 break. Looking for $3 on ILAG, so I'm going to put an alert on that one. Labu, I don't think I really want to trade Labu. ABOS, somebody on YouTube just called it. I have an alert at 950-ish. See if we get another attempt at $10. SOBR had a very nice move yesterday evening, yesterday at the close. Was anybody able to take this SOBR play? I think Zach might have actually. Looks like Urban might have had a good morning trade, and everybody else lost on BBAI. It was rough this morning. Ugh. Yeah, so Zach took this SOBR play here. Alright, so still scanning through some of these old ones. If not, I'll go back and look at the new ones today. ATHI, I feel like this one also keeps going sideways, holding its moves. So we'll see if this one puts in another leg anytime soon. Beat also made a nice move yesterday afternoon. Didn't trade this one either. Got exactly $3.99 on that high, but never broke $4. Okay, so off of these, I like APRN and ABOS. Now let me look at today's gappers. So I got that one that you guys are calling out, BBAI. I got SNTI. Called again. Oh, hold on, SNTI is up here in my watch list already because I don't delete them. So is cold, I think. Okay, SNTI cold. There's gotta be more stocks. I saw you guys calling out more stocks. Good morning, Rome Z. Rome C. Good morning, MOTS. MOTS looks good. What is this? 514. Where is this sitting on the daily? 200 moving average right there. So we got a little spike at 5.4. But then after that, I'm going to look at $6 for this one. $6 is right under the 200 moving average, but it's also a daily resistance. So this one actually looks pretty good. That is MOTS. So MOTS looks good. Putting that there. I was going to watch APRN, so I'm putting that one here as well. Just in case that one spikes up today again, looking at a new high. ABOS as well. It's starting to get cold here in Texas in the mornings and nights. It's about time to get my heater out again because my fingers are cold right now. Need to wake them up. Somebody else mentioned more stocks though. Let's see. Maybe not. I just saw somebody. Where did I see it? Maybe I saw it on the Discord this morning when you guys were calling them out. Yeah, so Rafiki said BBAI, SNTI, ABOS, Kano, and Axla. That is not good anymore. Kano doesn't look good anymore. Kano has that high of 954 still. I'll put an alert over today's pre-market high and see if we get a trade on that one. And then the other one was Axla. Axla doesn't look bad either. 236 high. 236 high. Next resistance kind of 250. But we got 200 moving average at 206. So we're trying to hold that 200 moving average. And this one been going sideways for a little bit. So it might be due for a little bit of a stretch. So I'm going to put this one down here just in case. Guys, I can't tell you guys enough. Just put them just in case. Put an alert just in case. Always have alerts, no matter if the stock is looking good for today or not. I always put alerts. If it doesn't look good for a trade today, it'll look good for another trade tomorrow or the next week. You know. You guys see me a lot of the times I'm trading, and then I'm like, oh, I shot an alert, and I'll go look at the stock and jump into a quick trade or something like that. So. So MOTS looks like the best trade this morning. Oh, actually, I didn't even look at BBAI. Oh my god. So BBI got some shorts in it. You guys are calling it out. BBAI doesn't look bad for going up to $2, but it's kind of sold off a lot. Let me see what you guys would have taken that first trade. I guess probably through here, and I'm guessing you guys got sold into there if you were there early, and then it recovered. Maybe took another one down here and got that nice little move there. Good morning, Rob Bellany. What's up, Ape Trades? Mott's number one. Blair also. Good morning. Andres. Good morning. QB Trader. Good morning. 35 degrees. Oh, Zach, I'm wearing my favorite fishing shirt. Or I guess anybody that likes fishing, I'm wearing my favorite. Oh, I guess both of these are looking at $2. Both SNTI and BBAI. 200 moving average on this one is 227. And this one's got that kind of like a daily pivot right where it stopped, which is $2. But after that, I don't see anything until maybe 219, 227. So this one also does not look bad. So Mott's still kind of number one, but I do like BBAI and SNTI. We just got to get back on both of those. And both of those I'm looking for a $2 break. They look very similar, honestly. Like price-wise and chart-wise, they look very similar. They both made the first leg, pulled back, made the second leg, and then both sold off. Zach, I'm wearing my favorite fishing shirt. You know why? Let me see. Yeah, I took that second area and held and it never went, so I started to downtrend and I gave it some time, but it just kept going down. BBI. Yeah. Look, this is why. Can you see it? I think you can. I don't know if you were able to see that pretty clear or not. Oh, I forgot to check something. We got 2 minutes and a half until market open. My fish big enough to use that. I mean, are they small enough to use that? What's our watch list for today? Andres, MOTS number one stock, and then BBAI, SNTI. But I am keeping an eye on some of the earlier runners, so APRN and ABOS. Yeah, I don't know what happened to my TikTok live stream. It's like removed again for good. It's so annoying. Okay, so MLTS, I guess Cold was also on my gappers list a little bit. It's got a high of 1846. Um, and this stock, I guess it made a pretty good engulfing reversal to this morning. We'll see if it holds up and keeps going high, but this is a pretty big move already. I also see kind of a downtrend on Cold there. We got a minute left until market opens. Honestly, Mott's is looking pretty good right where it's at. Look at this downtrend here with low volume on Mott's. Ape trades. Ape trades and Sag, you got that was funny for both. Cold is at ETF stock. Good morning, the Awakened One. Good morning, Robbie. He on YouTube. 50 guys over there on YouTube and 4 likes. Come on, hit it up. Hit the likes up so more people come in here real quick. So more people can come trade with us this morning before market opens. Market's going to open here in about 20 seconds. I do like Mott's, so good morning, Mersa. So let's see what Mott's wants to do here at the open. 10 seconds left. Mott's, I would be interested in Mott's and see if we get to move back up to like $5 and then see if we go all the way up to 6. 6 is a 200 moving average. BBAI kind of turning around a little bit. Mott's BBAI trying to pop up a little bit. Mott's kind of looking heavy-ish. BBI, pretty nice squeeze off the open already. I wonder if this retest VWAP keeps going. BBAI could have taken a trade there, but man, that was risky-ish. Or fast, I would say. SNTI kind of doing the same thing. I do have a downtrend here on BBAI. I wonder if this thing breaks and goes all the way back down and retests it down there. Good morning, Sniper Traits. So BBAI, I want to see maybe down here, but I took one small ad and took it off the table there already. Just kind of break that downtrend retest. Want to see if it would hold. Made $65 on it. Nothing big, but honestly, it might have actually kept working. I want to see if... Oh, SNTI also doing the same thing. SNTI. Let's see if BBAI can get a very nice pop. What is this even? So $2 is a target on this one. SNTI doing the same thing. So what's up, Trendline Trev? Ride the Lining. What's up, man? See you on YouTube over there. I'm looking at BBAI and SNTI. See if we get to move up to $2 on both of these. BBI looking pretty strong so far. I would want this thing to make a good 5-minute candle and then a nice 5-minute pullback. HPCO, I'll take a look at that one real quick. HPCO. So still, Mott's completely just dumping, like it's so annoying. Mott's dumping, but SNTI and BBAI still trying to, for one, reclaim VWAP and hold VWAP. Both of these stocks doing very similar things. Let me look at SNTI. ATXI also. ATXI, nice little pop. What is the high on this one? Ooh, $11. Okay, so BBAI flushing a little bit. Would have looked good for a pullback, but the 5 minutes getting stuffed, so no thank you. SNTI though, maybe a little bit better. SNTI just now closing here. A 5-minute candle. Let's see if we get that pullback on SNTI. Kind of flag right under VWAP. Where is our downtrend break on this one? Oh, way down there. SNTI trying to make a little pop. Too many sellers on BBAI. I tried typing HPCO, but I think I already have it on my watch list, and so I have to find it somewhere. There it is. Oh, I see HPCO now. No, I see it now. Sniper Trade saying SNTI needs to pull back. This is the one I'm looking for, the pullback on the 5-minute, because this one had a very nice first 5-minute candle opening, and now I want that pullback on this one. Maybe like 175 again or something like that on this one. MOTS was the one that, every time we come into the markets, we're like, this is the number one stock we're all going to look at, and it's always the stock that just gets shorted instantly. Like as soon as market opens, that one stock just tanks. BBAI kind of came back a little bit to that into that range. Remember guys, my momentum scanner is also up now, so if you guys want to keep looking at that and see if anything starts popping up, it'll show it on there. And my halt scanner too. My halt scanner's there too as well. So far I've only taken one trade, $65, kind of retest of downtrend right there. Got a nice little pop, sold it a little too early, could have gone it all the way up to 172, 71, 70s, but I'm okay with that one. BBAI. BBAI trying to make a little bit of a squeeze. Could we get all the way up to high of day? When most hot scanners, it went from 65 to 95%. In second, no pullbacks at open flush, and they don't go above 110. And I hold, I sell. You know, Kevin, I saw another guy on Instagram. I don't know what his name was, but this guy trades exactly like you. He was like, "Yeah, I'm a, what was it called, a coding person or something like that." And he was like, "I don't trade based off of price. I trade based off percentages, which works a lot on those like HKD type of plays and stuff like that, and a lot of IPOs as well." And so he was like, "Yeah, I trade mostly the percentages, and if they go up this percentage, and statistically they have a chance to get this percentage." Juan Trades, good morning. You know what time no, I have no idea about any of that. No. Mercer VBI 164 hoping for high day. Watch slow volume pullback down to 177 on SNTI. I'm watching both of these right now, but I haven't really gotten a good push up and then a nice little pullback. Unless SNTI makes a nice green candle here for the second one, and then the third 5-minute candle has a pullback on SNTI. Matsu needs a pullback. Yeah, I don't remember his name. If I look, I'll look for it today, and if I find it another time, I'll let you know. I'll let you know for sure, for sure. Pretty slow today. Is the market dropping a little bit, right? Usually at least we get a stock to rally a little bit by now. In the first 5-10 minutes, you get one stock that tries to pop up. BBAI again kind of stuffed. SNTI market is selling off. I see it. Good morning, John, on YouTube. SNTI finally closing a 5-minute candle here, so opening a new one. Let's see if we get a pullback on SNTI back to that 175-ish, anything like that with low volume, and see what happens. Like 174 on SNTI. Mods looks to never have found support. And then, okay, wait. Hassan long on BBI 162. Good entry there. And then Lang calling out ADTX. ADTX looking good. Wow, this one is so beaten down though. I'm looking for this SNTI pullback. BBAI trying to reclaim VWAP that fast already. If it reclaims VWAP that fast, it might be a good thing. Mod's completely like dropping. SNTI's red minute 5 minute candle red is very low volume so far. Just not getting a pullback. I mean, maybe there, but that's very small pullback there. You grabbed some off that 177. Yeah, that might have been the place to add. No, there's no volume though. Small size for both of you guys. You guys both at it right there. Man, SPY, just do something else than just tank. Well, I guess you might as well just tank and get it out the way. Just drop down to like 300 and then get it out the way so everything can be hot again. And I can add a lot for long term. So SNTI looking at this downtrend break from pre-market high back to these two pivots here. Yeah, that 177 was the place to add. And then there's the shorts. Get a little bit of stuff there. BBAI also trying to at the same time. A little bit. Volume is down on BBAI though, but BBAI, this pretty strong resistance here, like 173, 172 on this one. I want to see if we make a little squeeze on BBAI. BBAI opening up. Oh my gosh, what is that, man? Like as soon as that candle like was about to close, it took right under 172. Good morning, Educativo. Right lining SNTI flushed on me. SPY like this will cause panic. Holding to break up 2, hopefully, is what I was looking for. I would have chased this one if this would have had a nice close and then kept that pressure on shorts and then squeeze. But this thing, the last like 3 seconds of this candle instantly pulled back. Lang, did you ever get on ADTX? Out of the corner of my eye, I see ADTX still rallying. Maybe ADTX a 5 minute flag. Let me see what the 3-6 could be a pivot on ADTX. True, ADTX is going though, and no pullbacks on that one. Look at it. If it keeps doing that, I'll be looking at $4 for ADTX. You guys think SPY hits a new low today? Right now we're sitting at 363, but a low is 358. Actually, I think I saw somewhere that today was the exact day that the market crashed in 2008. Like today exactly. September 29th. It was either today or yesterday. Swing more puts. I mean, if it starts cracking that 360s again, 362s, I really wonder if this thing is going to crash back down to a new low. I mean, nobody's buying SPY right now. This thing is so heavy for the last literally 10 days. It hasn't had a single bounce besides yesterday. BBI holding the 5-minute 8, but I took an ad on BBAI down there. ADTX is looking at $4. Look at ADTX approaching $4. Do we get the break of 4 on ADTX? This is almost going straight up though. So Sniper Trades having alert at 401 on ADTX. If I get a flag here or something like that, I will jump in it. I don't know that the momentum is pretty strong to jump in it right now as a breakout. BBAI, I just took an ad down here. And then now it's popping up a little bit. Did not add profit there though. Let's see if ADTX flags. If flags down to VWAP, flags down to like 374, 73 on ADTX, I might be looking for ads on this one for the move up and break up to $4 on ADTX. I like ADTX. I like ADTX. This is going to be the last 5-minute candle on ADTX, and let's see if we get the pullback on the next 5-minute candle and then rips through $4. What is this tiny pivot there? 385. Is this really going to want to squeeze already? Yeah, no, pull back for us, pull back for us. SNTI is still breaking that downtrend and getting a little move. I'm looking for ADTX 385, maybe a little lower. Try and anticipate the break of 4. So looking to add on ADTX. Looking to see if ADTX wants to bottom out here and then make that move to $4. Very low volume pullback here. Come on, give me a squeeze. I don't want to sell until $4. There we go. I see a little bit of buyers looking for that $4 break. Looking for the $4 break on this one. Looking for the $4 break. Did you guys take a little bit on that with me on ADTX? I added at the lows. I got the low, anticipating that $4 breakout. Didn't really happen. I think we should have gone it there. Ape Trades took that one there with me. Good job, Ape Trades. I was up 300 on it and only got 130 of it. James took a little bit. Blair took a little small share size on that one. Let's see if we get another pullback on this one. I still think $4 is possible. Let's see if we get another ad like 376, pulls back a little more. This is only one 5-minute candle here, so let's see if we get another 5-minute candle to pull down. It's like a stock like this, you know, where there's not that many people watching it, not like MOTS where everybody had eyes on it, and it's a little heavy, but it's not like spikes up and flushes down right away. You can't read my brain. What do you mean? I was calling this one out. I called out the place where I added. Sorry. BBI is a short setup. I recognize BBAI. You have a pretty nice uptrend on that one, so yeah. Okay, here's a new 5-minute candle on ADTX. Let's see if we get another pullback down, a nasty little flush or something. Down to VWAP. Added down there on ADTX, yes. Same thing. Same thing. I just called it out. I wanted to see that little spike down to VWAP and see if we buy it up on this next 5-minute candle and make them move up to $4. Let's see if this happens. Let's see if we get to move up to $4. I have 2,000 shares left. Nice little pops here so far. Let's see if we keep squeezing, get up to $4. That was a nice little scoop of shares there. Was able to call it out a little bit ahead of time again for you guys. There's another little bit of a pop dripping along the way, but I want this $4 break. This one is trying so hard to break that $4, but it cannot. It cannot break that $4. I'm trying my hardest, guys. I'm literally buying the dips on this stock to anticipate the break of 4, and I just cannot get it. I bought this dip perfectly, and I bought this dip perfectly. And try to squeeze, nope. Try to squeeze, nope. SNTI is still up there. I think BBAI is trying to break that uptrend on the day. Just look at the 5-minute, look at the 1-minute. Draw the uptrend connecting all the lower points. If it breaks that, then I definitely think it's a short. Good job, Blank. Took some on that 373 as well. SNTI is going now. SNTI. Let's see what SNTI wants to go. Let's see if SNTI wants to break $2. We need increase the volume though. Okay, SNTI making a nice little move now. Looking for a high of day. Where are the pivots at? 194, 192. 192 could be a nice little pivot here. This candle's about to close in 20 seconds. Let's see if the momentum keeps holding and if SNTI breaks a new high of day. 198 is a high. We're looking at $2 break though. Now this is good volume here, I think. It's getting stuck at that 192. And ADTX honestly doesn't look bad still. Oh wait, never mind. Yeah, never mind. SNTI is my top watch for now. SNTI, very low volume on this one on a very nice green candle up. iLag has potential. I had iLag this morning, but I honestly have not looked at it since market started. I know I had an alert on it. Oh, iLag. See, I was looking for the break of 3 on iLag, and it looks like it already happened. Yeah, Zach, I don't want to be welcome. I want the dipsker. What is it? Dipperuski. By the way, guys, Lang's new name is Dipperuski. Lil Dipperuski. That's his name. SNTI, I wonder if these dips here are worth buying a little bit. Where's could the pivots be? I like the break of 3 was a move, and it looks like we missed it already. So, and then ADTX just could not break $4. So 185 pivot on SNTI. Did you get that entry right there, Mersa? ADTX, what a letdown, man. How are you so close to $4 catching 2 dips and don't break out? So far, I'm at a small green day. SNTI, let's see if we get another dip or something, but and then ILAG, but I mean I already broke that $3. SPY, man, SPY. SNTI price target, I just want to break through too. Zach, my fingertips are so cold, bro. Oh, dear lord. SPY needs to dump now. SPY is dumping since it opened. Since the market opened, SPY is dumping. Daily bounce on ADTX. I was looking at it. And the ADMA tap down there too. This thing is just not. Took a nod down there to see if it wants to bounce at that 360, but not much there. SNTI, hold on though. SNTI looking still. SNTI complete reversed up here. Looking at this 192 pivot to break on SNTI and see if we get a new high. I might chase this one for the break of high of day, which is 98. 4 seconds, 6 seconds left on this candle here. There's two. Break of $2 still. Have not broken $2. Let's see if we get the break of 2 and squeeze. Have not breaking $2. $2 is holding. If we get the break of $2, we might get a nice little pop squeeze here. 244. There we go. I have 1,000 shares still. Let's see if this wants to keep squeezing. I want to see $2 hold now. And let's see if we hold $2 and get another leg up. Here could be a nice little dip of $2. Added back at the dip of 2, and let's see if we rip up to new highs. Holding this dip so far. Actually, it's cracking. There's the dip of 2. Candle has 30 seconds left to close. Let's see if we get the new high on this stock. A lot of buy orders there. 15 seconds left on this candle. Looks like the wall is 203, so we got to break 203. 68 orders there. 100 orders there. 95, 37. Cracked. New high coming. There it is. I'm selling off there. Man, this market is tough, guys. You gotta find the trades and you gotta take them, man. Oh, good job, guys. I know Sniper Trace probably took a breakout trade through $2. Some of you guys, I was saying $2 all morning long. You guys asked me what my price target is. I jumped in it there. I chased that one. You know, $200 here. ADTX, $300 there. Oh my gosh, look at that bounce we had down there. Lang, you got this bounce over here, right? Who got the ADTX bounce? I'm pretty sure we all, or not all of us, but I'm pretty sure we, oh frick. I'm pretty sure we were all trying to buy it down there and I bought it. I just saw BBAI. Nah, it isn't ready. Come on, little Dipperuski. That was your place. That was a little Dipperuski trade right there. Honestly, if ADTX climbs all the way back up and looks at $4 again, SPY about to set new low. No, the low is like 358 something. But ADTX, oh my gosh, man. We had to trade down there. ADTX break of 4 might be good. Same thing as SNTI. That was a little Dipperoonie. You wanted the little Dipperuski? I don't know, bro. That Dipperuski down there was money. BBAI stopped out. Yeah, that was a nasty flush. Sorry, Robin. Crypto Willis just wanted. Hold on. I have a downtrend on ADTX as well, guys. So look at this downtrend on ADTX. Let's see if we break this downtrend. I know it's kind of high. It's under right at $4, but if we break this downtrend, hold this downtrend kind of 3.9-ish, you can get a 10-cent scalp up to 4, and if we break 4, we're off. We're off. Just want to say thank you. You're helping me a lot, even though I'm a short. I can learn these longs to help me. Hey, awesome, man, awesome. So ADTX, nice little push back up. I want the volume to get a little bit better. Everyone remember the candle setup on the 1 minute for BBAI. It's a short every time. Oh, that's right. We were looking at the short. So BBAI short was this trend line that I had here. Let me adjust to see if there was a clean entry. Well, kind of. What the heck? Right there, and start cracking, and the second you gave it out. What happened to HPCO? Nothing. ATXI? Nothing. ADTX could be the only stock setting up a nice trade still. SNTI, honestly, is still holding here $2. Although that red candle's got increased volume, actually. Hold on. SPY hit day low. Man, there's literally no bounce on SPY. Is everything doing the same thing? Tesla, no pullbacks. Nvidia, no pullbacks. AMD, no pullbacks. Microsoft, no pullback. Man, this is crazy. I feel so bad for like every time the ADTX still. ADTX break a downtrend here. Let's see if we get that break up to $4. It is lower volume on the 5 though, but let's see if we still get the break of 4. Let's see if we still get the break of 4. No, it's getting stuffed. It's getting stuffed. BBAI range trapped all day with that pre-market lows there, back up to that 172. Good. SNTI may want more. It's holding that 2 so far, but volume has completely died and already held it 5 minutes. Oh, maybe it wants it now. New high may be coming for SNTI. Gosh, guys, how like the market is incredible, man. Like as soon as it opened today, no pullbacks. Look at this. Instant open drops like a rock. Shoot, I mean, I wonder if we do get a new low today. If SPY has a nice little bounce to the top side, I might just reshort it, anticipating that new 358 low. Because this is pretty incredible. Oh, I see what you're saying, because that was after hours. So the low on the daily was 360.89. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. SNTI, is this a pivot down here? Does anyone here trade OTC stocks? If you do, INTK is a good long term. INTK. Let's see, 0.00, no, 0.01. I thought I was about to say 0.0000. These are crazy, man. OTC stocks are crazy. You're trading so much better in a bull market, you'll be killing it. Any news because GDP report? I think just in general, man. I mean, we're in a bear market. Everything is going to keep pulling back. I think it's just the market. BXX breaking down new highs. Market's crashing. Oh, I almost took this dip buy here on SNTI, that 192 previous pivot. There's just no stopping. You know, I feel bad for the people that like. I feel bad for the people that like, you know, like maybe like retire or something like that, and they had all their money in, and now like they're supposed to get their money out this year or something like that, and last year they lose like 50% of their investments or something like that. Honestly, SNTI 192 pivot doesn't look bad still. Yeah, my long-term account. I opened the new one and I thought I bought the dip on everything, and so I only put like 15K in on that one so far. And with 15K, I was up already like 4K. With only 15,000, I was already up 4K on it, and I was like, oh, I got the exact dip on everything, and now it's red. New lows. Here we go. Was I right that today was the day that 2008 crashed? Because if it is, this is on purpose, guys. Was it today that in 2008, September 29th, that 2008 crashed, ADTX flag forming? That back to that 363 pivot actually. Yeah, Ace Trader, appreciate that. Appreciate it. I like slowly grinding. I see it. I see it out of the corner of my eye still, but SNTI is the one that I. Oh, SNTI, look at this. Curl back up again. It's doing the same thing. SNTI trying to make another nice squeeze again, it looks like. Rafiki, did you take that dip just now on ADTX, dude? Look at ADTX, guys. Again, back up to this trend line. And I almost took that trade right there. Yes, 375. You got in 375. Nice, Rafiki. Let's see if we get the break of 4, though. This is what we want, the break of 4. Let's see if we get the break of 4. This is that downtrend that I still have on mine. Wow. Maybe you sold a little there? Ugh, what is this? SOBR is running. I'll take a look at it. Hold on. Both SNTI also trying to go back up to the break of new high of day. But I am watching ADTX. ADTX sniper trades entry 401. I feel like it'd been so long since we take trades like that, sniper trades. It was just wasn't anything moving, gapping up to give us a trade like that. I feel like it's been a while. I feel like not too long ago it was like 401 entry here, 301 entry this one, 901 entry on this stock, 301 entry on this, like non-stop. ADTX kind of spiked there, kind of caught a little shorts off guard, flushed down. SNTI, once, there we go, new high on SNTI, dang it. But ADTX, I think the break of 4 and ADTX will be a little bigger pop squeeze. Dang it, and I almost took the 192 pivot on SNTI. SOBR, I need to put SOBR on here. SOBR is not halted. I only didn't look at SOBR because I know it's pretty being down from yesterday's highs, yeah. But ADTX is the one I'm looking at. So this will be the last 5-minute candle close here. Let's see if we can grab some dips now on this one. Yeah, SPY just cannot recover, man. SNTI kind of holding that 209 previous high, I think, but I'm looking for ADTX. I'm looking for ADTX to spike. Break $4. Oh, well, never mind. SNTA kind of pulled back pretty aggressively. Come on, ADTX. What are you doing, man? Yeah, so today is the day that the market crashed in 2008. Thanks, Kevin. Thanks. I'm pretty sure I saw it somewhere and I was like, there's no way. Even to the day, they're going to do the same thing. Rome, I know you called out I like several times. Are you in it, Rome, on YouTube? I'm still very interested on ADTX for the break of 4. I want a little dip here and I want to get in on the ADTX. 384-ish. Maybe a little lower if I can get it. It just won't dip. Okay. Took the trade, 384 like I said. Took the trade where I told you guys. Took the trade exactly where I told you guys I was going to get it. Hope you guys took that 384 dip. I'm looking for $4. I am looking for $4. No! You piece of crap! Son of a biscuit eater, man. $3.99. What is that? Bro, come on, man. I quit. Perfect content for YouTube. Rodrigo said, like the stream for support. You look like me when I trade IPOs. Guys, I don't know. I'm giving it my all. I am giving it my all, guys. Oh my god. Lang said, I always sell 1 cent before for that reason. It's not even that, dude. It's not even that. Oh, Rafiki's still in it. It's the fact that I mean, this stock, I nailed the trade there. I nailed the trade there. I nailed the trade there. I nailed this trade here. These are all my buys. And then I nailed this trade here. And then, boom, 2,500 shares there. I was up almost $500 before it spiked to $3.99. Through here, I think I was up $500. If that would have spiked through 4 and gotten at least 4 or 5, 410, easily $600-700 on this stock here. And I mean, the second it hit $3.99, it just tanked so hard, and I mean, at that point you can't hold. I panic sold, and I think I sold probably back to break even, because I was up 280 on the stock. I sold some here, but I kept the majority for the break of 4. Hits $3.99 and flushes down. I am trying, guys. I am trying. I mean, I'm probably up $600 today ish. I think. Oh, I'm up $630 today. It's not bad, not bad. Not bad, but that was funny. I admit that was funny. Not a bad day, but not a good day. You're up 110. That's good, man. That's good, Ape Trades. That's good. I think who said range bound? Somebody said BBVI was about to be range bound. John said it. Down here, market lows, pre-market lows, kind of 154-ish. Hit 150, 4 pennies off that high, but I mean, it might be getting trapped in this area, kind of like here. When he means range bound, if you're kind of more beginner or just don't know what range bound is, just basically means it's gonna trade between a range, right? I don't trudge breakouts anymore. Right, the lining. You missed it, man. You missed it. ILAG. Rome, did you ever say you were still? Oh, you're still in on ILAG from 280s on ILAG. Nice, man. Good trade. Guys, honestly, I mean, and then SNTI, this dip right here, I was so close to buying this dip. I almost bought that dip. I said 192. Let me see if it would have, because I marked it off of this right here. But was it also a daily pivot or something? 196 was. BBAI is making a nice little move from down there. Let's see if it gets back up to that 172. ATXI maybe. Ace Trader on Tradecaster. Do you only trade the OTC stocks? Yeah, I never take those in either way. Big buyers sitting at 372 now on ADTX. Actually, ATXI. ATXI wasn't bad down here at that VWAP retest. ADTX, you said 372 big buyer. I see 373 right now, yeah. Man, that was funny and fun. Who else has fun trading the stock market, guys? You're starting Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu classes today. You're gonna go take your your day trading rage into Jiu-Jitsu. Man, I would not want to go when you're on a red day, bro. I would not want to go if you had a red day in the stock market, because oh God Almighty, somebody bless your opponent. Spy dump, please. Andres made $900 on ADTX. Thanks, Juan. You're welcome, Andres. You're welcome, man. I legit thought you was crying for real. Bro, I was. Internally, I was crying, bro. I used to do powerlifting and stuff, but I think I'm burnt out on it. No motivation at all, so I gotta start something new. Dude, I wish I didn't have a messed up body. I have so many issues with my body that, like, I get hurt so often. Or I get hurt so much. I legit thought you were crying. Nah, I really was, bro. I really was. What's my current injury? My biggest injury is I tore my labrum on my shoulder from tennis. And so I mean I used to be pretty active guy, work out all the time and stuff like that. Ape Trades, you done for the day? And but it still hurts. I mean, I kept trying to play college tennis. Oh, there's a little reversal for spy dump for Zach still. I kept trying to play tennis after I had surgery, and it still hurt. And I don't think it ever got back to good, and so now even trying to lift weights or anything like that, it bothers me, and so I literally can't bench. I can't do stuff like that. It sucks. ADTX, I mean, it's still holding. Yeah, you tore your shoulder swinging the racket. Yep, I hear your shoulder injuries are rough. ATXI potential bounce. ATXI kind of VWAP bounces were pretty cleanish. And these candles are kind of low volume, so I wonder if ATXI does get another leg up. I like finally kind of dumped a little bit, but let me see. Oh, it's a little bit increased volume. ADTX, which one was ADTX? Man, this ad down here in ADTX was money. Look at this. This one, look at that. Oh, why did I let those go? 2,500 shares. If I'd have kept at least 1,000 of those back up to almost $4, just 1,000 shares there was 10, 23, $300. Nice bear flag on SPY is what you're calling out, Zach? Bro, SPY's gonna dump to 300s. There's no way this thing just doesn't dump. Juan ATXI 5-minute flag. I think the ad was at VWAP. If it spikes down there again, but that'll be like 3 times, 4 times touching VWAP. So we'll be careful. But yeah, I see it. Little Stefaruski. Rome C also was calling out ATXI bounce here. Wait, day distributors. It broke the daily level, so it makes sense to let it go. I think on ADTX. Oh, when I bought it down here. Well, the thing is, I bought it on that red candle, and then it started coming back up on the green candle, and I sold it on the green candle. Guys, if y'all didn't know, I'm officially a YouTube partner, so everybody on YouTube, I appreciate it. I'm not even showing you guys on here. I've made a total of $5 from YouTube. Actually, I'm surprised I made $5, bro. I think the first day my revenue was like 30 cents. Thanks, Mercer. Thanks. Also, now you guys can do the little thank you button and support the creator on YouTube. So every time you guys take a green trade and you make money off of it, I expect to get some super chats and some support creator things on YouTube for my 10% commissions. Wow, YouTube, haha, Jims. What's that supposed to mean, Jims? Like right now, Andres made 900. You shouldn't have told me, bro. You shouldn't have told me you made 900 on ADTX with me, Andres. Now I expect a $90 tip on YouTube. Honestly, ADTX is making a giant pennant. Ducativo. Well, sucks to sucks, bro, because I don't do refunds like that. If you lost money, that's on you. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything you do is because of your own ATXI. Oh, that's a little bit of more pullback though. 8 trades. And kind of got stuffed up here. I think when I take, well, I mean, it might have worked. When I take the dips, guys, always look what's ahead because I kind of like when the stock kind of does this. You know, it just slowly pulls back. Try to snag that. That's a difference than this. Because then it looks like, okay, this is a flat top. Now it looks like shorts are in there. This one's like, okay, it's just pulling back, and then rips. Like this, right? This is a double top, triple top, stuffed, 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 as opposed to ADTX. Where here it's like, okay, pulling back, pulling back, pulling back, snack the dip, and then boom. I don't know, man. I might just be making stuff up. Who knows? Man, that would make a very nice clip for TikTok, but guess who can't post on TikTok stuff like that? Me, because otherwise I get banned, permanently banned. What if we lose on your call? Do you give back reimbursements? No. That's on you, bro. After 5 days red, 1 day green. That's how we like it. Nice. SNTI back. John said, "Oh, SNTI little." Let me take this off though. I don't know if I'll expect another nice move on this one though. This one or ADTX. I don't think I'm gonna see a bro spy. Do you know what the color green is? SNTI got back in at 190. Okay. We need SPY red while I need it red up 27% right now on my calls. BBAI, any movements? No, BBI is still down there. I don't know if I see any movements right now again. ILAG pulling back all the way to 3. Maybe that's a dip buy there on ILAG, but if you look at the 5 minutes, we tucked under the ADMA, so maybe not. ADTX had a little bit of a trend here. Looks like we broke out of that trend here. TQQQ at $20, new all low. Dude, I don't even want to look at my other account. Oh, look at ATXI now, Ape Trades. Or whoever was calling out this one. Rome also. Rome. But see that same level up here. We gotta get through here. Told you so. Were you in it? Were you in it though? Bet you want though. Oh, 30 cents. Rome, did you also take ATXI down here? How's your day? I was able to capture 23 cents and lost 3 cents on my last trade, so up 20 cents today. That's good, man. 20 cents is good. It doesn't matter how much money you made or lost. 20 cents is decent. No, I'm not on ATXI right now. Okay. I mean, most of my trades are pretty quick too. SNTI. SNTI. Where'd I get SNTI? Oh, I missed the second push. I completely missed that second push. Wow. See, on SNTI I got in 193, $2, and I sold 199, 207, 204, so like 10 cents there. And then ADTX I traded a little bit more, but I mean, pretty small shares, pretty small profits. Bought 87, 91, 3, 4 pennies. Bought 79, sold 83, 87, 5 cents profit. 59 to 60, 1 cent a profit. 2 cents profit. And then this one was a little bit bigger one, but unfortunately. Yeah, so I bought it 385 and went up to 399, but my remaining shares, my runners, I got stopped at 384. So literally red from where I was first in, which was way down here on that nice little pop, the one that didn't break $4. Nope, sniper trades, nothing at all. Have you taken any trades today, sniper trades? Good thing you had this one at 4-1 and didn't hit 4-1, because sometimes they even break 4-1. Not likely, not a lot, but sometimes they break that and still flush. So good thing you weren't in on that one. Spy should have dumped, stepped out for a little bit. Crab, John said. John, how are you doing today? You took a loss this morning pre-market, but were you able to get some back market open? Let me look at SNTI. Blair gonna call it today, okay. SNTI Big Wall 202, 203. There's our new level to break. Tomorrow will be my last day of small share size. In October, I'm gonna size up more 500,000 shares. Peace out, bro. Peace out, Blair. You have a good one, man. Just remember, sizing up is slow process. Oh, hold on. Sorry, my YouTube chat. I gotta put these people on. Sniper Trades took 2 trades. SNTI 201 half share. Oh, that's right. I remember that. Idiot. And then I re-entered with strong bid support at 201 and then tanked and got out 197. So up like $95 for the day. That's not bad though. That's not bad. Spy is kind of bouncing. Zach, I think you took some puts on Spy, right? Did you close them for a profit? Because I think you got them on that nice little pop. ABOS shot on alert. Hold on. ABOS. Oh my, wow, look at ABOS. And just like that, if ABOS gets back up to $10, back in play. And just like that, look at ABOS, guys. Man, it's actually not flushing so far. I would have thought this candle instantly would flush. Rome is in ABOS. Break of 10 can give us $14 today. Yeah, ABOS I'm looking for 10 high 1023, $10 to hold. I don't think we held $10 at all yesterday. I think this one spiked over 10 several times but never held it. Yeah, so spiked 10 10 10 10, broke 10 20 cents, flushed even after hours, spiked over 10, couldn't keep it, and let's see if we get 10 today. It'd be pretty interesting if we recover all the way back up to 10. Seth still holding somebody's calling BBAI. BBAI is you might be looking at that support to hold the 152ish, 53, 51. But I'm not taking a trade on that one until we get back up to the 170ish. Rome took ABOS at 880. Wow. Sold half at 940. Good job. Still holding daily downtrend. Yeah, I'm still think SPY is short, but let it bounce up a little bit and see if we get a new low. I bet a lot of people are probably saying that SPY is making head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders down there though. ABOS honestly has a nice pivot here at 924. Dalton also took ABOS at 860 and sold some at 950. ADTX. Oh, ADTX climbing back up too. This 924 pivot on ABOS didn't look bad from today, just right there. 924 right there. Breaks out of it, pulls back, kind of holding 924 right there. Do we think ABOS is going to hold this 925 again? Put in another leg? ADTX could test the highs, and if it closes break, expect a price action to the upside as shorts cover at highs. ADTX. Yeah, if it gets back up to that $4. Honestly, ABOS is holding this pop pretty nice. I would not have expected that. ADTX and SNTI, both of them still kind of wanting to pop a little bit. ABOS potential 5-minute new high of the current 5. Hold tight. Yeah, I'm looking at that 924 day. I'm hoping I can hold this 924 right here. The only thing I'm seeing is that 5-minute on the 5-minute candle has a lot more volume. It decreased here, but it still has more volume on the pullback. Be trying to be sneaky. Okay, I see beat as well. Yeah. I am so tempted to get in on ABOS here. SNTI also ripping back up to once another high maybe. 215 is high, 209 is a pivot. Let's see if SNTI puts in another leg, another high. You're not touching ABOS until... Where's ABOS? Where's ABOS? There it is. Yeah, I know. I'm just saying this 924 right here looks so tempting. Beat, I still see it. Beat also $4 break from yesterday. We never hit $4 break. Kind of did the same thing ADTX did. $3.99 and turned back around. SNTI, ADTX skyrocket. Oh, SNTI did. Let's see if we hold this pivot here again for a new high. I want to see if SNTI puts in another high. SNTI 215 high. I was kind of looking at 2-1 pivot. Took a small trade there. Took some profit out. Got stopped out on the rest. But I want to see if this candle here holds lower volume than that previous push. Let's see if we get a 1, 2 candles, or just a 1 candle hold and then rip. This one could make another high. Could pop up for another high. Let's see. Candle's about to close here. Everybody's trying to buy 210 and 209. But there's 77 orders, 85 orders at 211 for sellers. Wow. ADTX also still trying to climb back up to $4. No position on SNTI, but liftoff possibly. A sniper trade saying it's new high for sure. New high here. Orders are getting eaten up. Come on, man. No trade for me on that one. I missed that one. I had it down here, but wasn't patient enough. ABOS. Don't tell me ABOS took off after that 924 pivot, man. And then SNTI, I got a little scared to keep holding because I saw this earlier. That's a pretty big rejection. And so after a spike, so I thought maybe if this spikes, it might do the same thing ADTX did. It might do the same thing it did earlier and flush on me. And I'm not willing to give a lot of profit back. So maybe cup and handle safer on SNTI for the high risk takers. G-Sun gearing up. Oh no. Oh no, not this again. SPY is climbing back up to VWAP. Do we think more puts up there on SPY closer to VWAP? G-Sun. Somebody was saying G-Sun. More puts definitely on SPY. Let me look at the bigger time frame on SPY. Seth, what platform do you use? Are you on Webull? Because ABOS rejected. Yeah. Still though, that 924 was a nice little pivot on ABOS. We were trying to snag a trade here from 924s up to 950 almost. That's 20 cents a trade, 25 cents. It's a lot. Oh, I was asking because SPY is not to VWAP yet for me. It is not there yet. Let's see, is there anything green in the market today besides the inverses? SQQQ is pretty green. JDST inverse pretty green. Netflix. How is Netflix green today? The SPY is down $7, 2%. Microsoft down 2%. Starbucks down 0.5%. Google down 3.3%. Roku down 7%. XBEV down 9%. Wow. Hey, Beat is still going up there. Wait, come on, let's make some gains in honor of Coolio. Who's Coolio? Mighty! What's up, Mighty Stocks? El Mighty. Marcelito, mi hijito. Marcelito, mi hijito, bro. How are you, Mighty? How are you doing today, bro? Like on YouTube. Everybody, like. I just saw your comments, Mighty. Hopefully you're still in here. Sad, slow day. Are you in the green? Are you in the red? Are you in the break-even zone? Your student is my teacher. What? Break-even? Nice. VXX calls. I don't know. I don't know. I don't. Juan's too young, bro. Guess what year I was born in? Actually, even that, I'm freaking SNTI again. I'm not taking a trade on this anymore. Volume is dying. Sniper trades. I guess you knew exactly what year I was born in. Bro, I suck at knowing famous people. Don't ever ask me who's who. Like, I'm not kidding. Robin, he lost $10 so far. That's okay. Like, I'm dead kidding. I'm not. What the frick am I saying? Holy crap. I'm not lying. Do not ask me famous people, guys, because I suck at famous people. Like, if you guys ask whether I know them or not, I'm just gonna ignore them because I suck at famous people. Unless it's Blake Lively or Jennifer Aniston, then I don't know anybody. Rome, did you get in on some G-Sun action? I mean, Spy is at a good place, but honestly, I wanted this thing to kind of pull up more before we got a big rejection. No, but I should have. Yeah, you called it out, and it still kept going higher after you called it out. Like Spy. See, if I would have gone a pop on Spy 370s, 380s, 374, like up here somewhere, oh, I would have shorted that thing again. ADTX is still going. Beat is still kind of creeping up. ADTX still looking for that $4 break. How many Eroskis you got in you? Seth, are you taking, so you for sure took some more VXX calls? Or not yet? Not yet. You're waiting for it to hit 363.5. Okay. See, my VWAP on SPY is 363.3. SNTI getting a little overextended. Oh, you got a low volume pullback here down to 215 though. Yeah, I'm not gonna take this trade. I almost got here at 215. If ADTX breaks 4, you plan on adding some? Um, you know, SNTI, we could have noticed that this one still had room. 227 is at 200 moving average, so we could have still anticipated that move to 200 moving average. That was my fault there, honestly. Later on, red day for me. Awesome, Ride the Lightning. Well, not awesome that you're red, but thanks for being in here, man. Hopefully, a small red day and you get it back tomorrow. ADTX still looking at breakout 4, but I don't think I will take a breakout trade on this one. Like if it got so close to it, I don't think I will take a breakout. I will probably try to get a flag, a dip, or anything like that to anticipate the breakout 4, but not right now. Besides that, ABOS kind of still at that 924-ish, but this one, like Sniper Trade said, not until we're up close to $10 will it be really interesting. The other one that's still grinding up is Beat. Very low volume, but it's right under yesterday's highs, 399. So if volume picks up on Beat, you're looking at $4. That might be a good trade. ATXI is still grinding. ATXI is still grinding. This one also pretty being down though. Look at the daily on this one. Every time we spike, we reject. And honestly, we have a very clean downtrend on the daily. Wow. So look at that. Well, maybe this 215 on SNTI did work. And then ADTX flushed there a little bit. So at least we got a few trades here and there, because now it looks pretty slow. SNTI might be the only trade that I'm looking at for the rest of the day. Andres calling it for right now. He's going to head out, but still hang out in the Discord in case we see any more trades. I think I took one more trade, honestly, that I didn't import, so let me see. I was currently up 630, so let me import my trades and see if it went up, because I think I took another trade. The one that I took profits and I was having a runner but stopped out at 647, so an extra 20 bucks. So $650 profit today so far. That seems to be my comfort zone. 600, 700. I don't know why. I cannot get out of this $600, $700. Then again, I didn't really try to size up today. ATXI could pop soon. SNTI, the only thing on SNTI is maybe we do get up to a tiny bit more, 227-ish, hit that 200 SMA on the daily, and if we get past it, this one might put in another leg. Honestly, it's pulling back now with lighter volume too. $200 plus keeps the 9 to 5 away. Yeah, sure. Same here, Juan. I can't get out of my profit zone. Been in 150, 250 profits for a while. I really want to get to 400, $500 days. I know it's hard, man. It's not hard. Oh, SPY just ripped. I wonder why that happened. It's kind of hard scaling up, but it's hard because the market is not allowing us to. Like today, yeah, there was a couple of good trades, a couple of good dip buys. You know, SNTI is still grinding up, but it's not clean. It's not one leg pull back leg, pull back leg. You know, it's slow grind, rips up, pulls, rips up, chops around. Look at all of this right here. This looks like barcodes for a second. Kind of no volume, and then rips up on light volume, starts getting momentum, and then chop, 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 chop. So I don't know. Hopefully October, November, December a little better. If not, beginning of next year will be a little better, I think. Mods could make. I forgot about mods. The cleanest cup and handle. Are you saying like this, Lang? All right, guys. This is Lang's call out for the day. He's the master of Dipperuski. Look at this. This is gonna curl like this, make the handle, and then rip through 5. I am bad on reading the whole market, but anybody ever thought this might be a bear trap? I think so. It's possible. That's why nobody knows. I think whenever here I'll show you, because this is where I added my initial long-term portfolio. I think it was through here. Hold on. Let me put the daily, I guess. So I think I have a lot of lines. Sorry, guys. So it was already downtrending for a while, and this right here, instant flush on SPY. I think a lot of people saw this here, and they were still predicting what's going to happen now, that it's going to tank and flush and down to 300s. And I think everybody thought, or at least a lot of shorts thought, it was going to happen right here. You know, kind of bounces off the level and then rips down through that level. And I thought about the same thing, but I was like, you know, I have a long-term portfolio that I just want to add for the long term. Well, no, duh. Um, and I was like, if this ends up completely reversing, I'm gonna add a little bit of share size anyway, so I'm in. And so I think I got SPY at 375. So this was 362. Yeah, so I got it somewhere in here. That's what I was saying. I was up like 4K on this one account, my long-term one. I didn't sell anything. I wish I would have. But I was like, this is a long-term account. I'm just going to buy on dip. So I actually added more 2 days ago. A little bit more. In case this does bottom out and it's a bear trap like you think and this thing ends up ripping. But honestly, I don't see why we're going to go back up to highs. I mean, just in general, you know. So I could see this thing dropping a little lower or maybe chop around up a little bit more. Like I was saying, 370, 375, 380s, and then see if you get that next leg down. I really don't know if this is going to do what 2008 did. Because this looks very similar. Look, you get that first leg down, that's the first dip I buy. You get the second one, You make the move back up, and then you create that almost double bottom where we're kind of at right now, but this one took a low and reversed up. And if you go back and look at SPY now, oh, there's that first low, there's that second one, bounces up, pulls down. On 2008, this dipped down a little bit more, this ripped up higher, and then this tanked. So one dip, two dips, rips up, new low, bounce relief, flush. 2008. One low, two lows, rips, high, touches 200 SMA. This is where I think a lot of people saying we're at right now. New low, relief bounce, flush. Jeez. The Awaken one done for today. 2% gain on funded account. See you tomorrow. Awesome, Awaken one. You have a good one. So I don't know, man. I guess I have no idea. SPY 325. I mean, let's see. From where we are, well, you can't do it like that though. Another 30% drop. But I think this is what I was telling people when I was doing that stream with Sean and the active trader and Kush. They're like, well, I was stressing volume, and I never had a chart to show it, but you can see volume through the whole year, right there. It's pretty decent, right? Kind of averaging down here. People know these dips are getting bought up, that dip is getting bought up, that dip is getting bought up, but you didn't really see the volume until the market hit those lows. So that's all I'm waiting for. And if you look now, look at this low volume still, or still decreasing. I haven't seen that surge of volume of big people buying. So to me, I think we're still dipping. 1 month candles. I don't know, man. I don't know. It'll be pretty sad since I'm already in. If this thing keeps pulling back, but it'll be good for everybody. If this thing drops down a lot, just add a little bit. Add $100 a month. Add $50 a month into SPY or something. If it gets back down to 300s, 250s, I mean, this is what I was saying. It needs a healthy pullback. Look at the monthly charts. It goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. But then 2021, 2022, all of it is, or 2020, 2021. This is parabolic SPY. We haven't even given back. Well, we've given back half. I would not be surprised if just downtrends more. I don't know, man. Seth, you added more. I saw it rip, but I never saw it reversed again. Alright, I got a little distracted there, guys. You guys are still trading? Are you guys still trading anything? Did anybody take this land call and mods for the biggest, cleanest cup and handle you'll ever see? ADTX. ADTX kind of sleeping in this boring market. Yeah, you get 30 minutes of market action and that's it. 30, 40, 50 minutes of action and that's it. But ADTX looking to break a 4, maybe kind of consolidating under it. SNTI, let me see, SNTI. SNTI volume is dying, kind of consolidating at the 215 still. SNTI is not really flushing though, not really giving back a lot of gains, so I wonder if this one keeps holding here and gets the next leg up. ABOS still at that 925. ATXI slowly grinding up. MOTS curling, BBAI. BBAI holding the lows still, but you know, this is not the one that I would trade like this. But this is the one we said range bound, you know. It's still holding kind of that range right there. Just holding those lows, low, low. See if it curls back up on BBAI. If you curl back up to 170s, then I'll definitely be looking for a trade on that one. ADTX looking good here, maybe. Chop, 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 chop fest. ADTX trying to curl up to 4. Let's watch it. I really would be I really am kind of scared to take a high of day breakout on this one. I really am scared to take a breakout on this one. Just because the first attempt we got at $4, $3.99 instant flush. You could get a good breakout if you squeeze the shorts out, but you might get a nasty flush. Let's just see. Okay, broke it. Watch the candle hold. Let's see if we get the next leg up. Bought that dip there. Let's see if we get the next leg up. New high. There we go. I want to see if we really get a squeeze. Give me another 5-10 cents. 407 right now. Give me 410, 411 squeezes through 410. It's holding up pretty good, holding up pretty good. I want to see the next leg up on this stock here on ADTX. This is not like that first time we tried squeezing it. Very tight stop on here. Seeing a lot of buy orders still. I only have 500 shares left, so I just want to see a new high of day. There we go. What? Why couldn't I sell it right there? That was weird. 410. I was saying 411. There's the next squeeze. Nice little scalp there through break of 4. So I didn't take a breakout trade. I took a dip trade because I knew that the first time we tried breaking a $4, it got flushed on. So I wanted that candle to break, hold, get the confirmation, get the dip, get the next leg up. So I didn't take a breakout trade. I took a little dip trade on a breakout, and it worked out fine. You know, I mean, I was up. What stock is this? ADTX. I was up 330 on it. Oh, so I added $100 there. Okay, I'll take it. Little Skaparuski. Rafiki to some profits. Very nice trading on a pretty bad day. Yeah, I think I did. Let me see what my accuracy today is, because how do I do this? So I got to filter it to today. Wow. Well, that's not, I don't know how. Yeah, I don't know how sometimes TraderView does this to me. I gotta ask the other guys that use TraderView. Um. Oh wait, I didn't even import this trade though. Sorry. Yeah, so I'm up 750 now. But I wanted to see this though. Yeah, this doesn't make sense. It's saying for today I made $748, but number of losing trades 0, number of winning trades 3. That's not right. I've took more than 3 trades. So I don't know how it counts them. I think I have to change some settings somewhere. Because I think it's probably thinking, I think it's counting tickers. But I know some people have it as far as trades, and I don't know how to switch it to trades. I know some people have it. Does anybody know how to change it to trades, not tickers? BBAI is curling back up still. I'm gonna take this range box away. Yeah, Seth, I'm with you there. I think so. It just broke a small little uptrend on the 1 minute, so it's heading back down, I think. I don't know. I gotta ask some of the other guys. Got a little bit of BBAI at 153. 153. Nice. Who's that? Lang with the Diparuski trades down there. 153. Nice. Have money on today on VXX. Nice, man. Yeah, I don't see why you shouldn't hold now. It's working in your favor. If it stays below 4, can it go to 4.5? Is this ADTX? I don't know. I mean, it's still holding 4 right now. 5-minute chart looks a little choppy there. Kind of getting stuffed on this 5-minute candle. And this is the last 5-minute candle there. So it just closed there as a stuff. ATXI slaughtered. Ugh. Did you have a stop in place, bros, under if you were in it? What do I think SPY closes at today? I have no idea. If I knew, bro, if I had any slight, what do you say? Any idea of where it would close, I would be making a lot of money. I don't know why. To me, something tells me we're gonna go back down and test that 358 low. It wasn't on the daily charts, but it's definitely on the 4 hours. Wow, look at ILAG, guys. What is this? The fuck is that? Good job, Rosen. Good job. So still SNTI and ADTX are kind of both had little aggressive flushes earlier, but both of them are holding up now. So I want to see if any of these put in another leg. We'll see. ADTX kind of dropping down to $4 here. Very low volume. You might be able to snag another trade here. Dip of 4. SNTI kind of also there, and look at SNTI break of downtrend maybe. Let me do it like this. So SNTI kind of breaking downtrend here. BBAI completely reversed. Everybody on YouTube, appreciate you guys leaving the likes and commenting on there. Appreciate it. I might be done here pretty soon. Up $750. I think pretty decent trading today for a day like today. Definitely SNTI made a pretty nice move today. I guess I could have maybe taken a little bit better trades on here, traded a little bit better. This was a very nice dip that I hesitated on, that 192 right there. This back end kind of came surprise to me. I didn't really trade that one as much. A nice dip there of 209 actually. Oh, actually, I did take that dip of 209. Oh well. See, I only traded this stock twice. So I didn't trade this one the best. And then ADTX, I think I did a very clean job of trading ADTX. I never got the move like SNTI did, but I think ADTX I did a pretty good job on. Bought the dips here even though it's going against me. Got myself green. Bought that very nice dip. Didn't hold it. Bought the breakout there. Didn't break out for me. And then bought this nice little breakout here through 4. Also worked out pretty nice. SNTI, here it goes again. So I might be calling it here pretty soon. Are you guys green, red? Oh, sorry about that sex chat on YouTube. I keep forgetting to. Well, I don't know how they keep coming back. I don't know how they do that. So you guys red, you guys green, you guys break even, you guys max loss, max. Oh, look at ADTX flush. So I'd be careful on SNTI now just because of ADTX. Mercer's green, nice, nice. ADTX straight up flush now. SNTI, you know, not related stocks, but just be careful. One does one, the other one might do too. Spice killing me, Seth. Jim's green for you as well. Rome is green over there on YouTube. I'm green, and I will be calling it here. So 2 hours into the stream, 2 hours trading, calling it here. Up $750 profit. Good trading today. Good trading today. Definitely gonna go back and edit that funny one on ADTX. That was funny. Hashtag green team. Hashtag green Dipperuski team. All right, guys. Y'all have a good day. I will definitely do a recap today. I didn't do a recap yesterday. I was red yesterday, so I'll include it on the recap. I made more today though. But y'all guys have a good day. Make sure you guys come into the videos, recaps, just hit the thumbs up, leave some comments or anything like that. Watching ABOs for sure all day. Shorts could get squeezed. Yeah, that one. Yeah, if AUBS, if you guys are still trading, ABOS closer to $10 is gonna be interesting. What else? SNTI. Maybe if you start squeezing past 227, 227 is the 200 SMA. If you start squeezing past 227 on SNTI, that one might get interesting, and you have a 27 resistance up there, and then 335. So that one might have some more room in it. ADTX looked like it flushed. Beat, maybe beat if Beat gets volume gets back up to $4. That'll be a trade, and then BBAI back up to 170. Anything above VWAP for BBAI, but hold VWAP. So I see ABOS. So ABOS, that 924 pivot still there holding. Alright guys, yeah, so if every time I'm done trading, guys, we all go over to Discord. If I trade anything else, I'll mention it on there. If you guys need my Discord link, let me give it to you guys here. You guys can join the Discord, and even in the mornings, pre-market. One of these days, I'm going to wake up early and trade pre-market with you guys. But I know a lot of people are there early pre-market trading, so if you guys want to join the people trading pre-market, go ahead and click the Discord and join it. Everything is free. And also, what's it called? They're killing it pre-market. Today, I think it was the first time some of them were red, but normally these John, Zach, Urban Trades, Alvin R has been in there a few times. Kip been in there a few times. Rafiki been in there. You know, several people there in the mornings trading pre-market, and they've gotten some good trades. So, crack of dawn, they're in there. All right, guys, y'all have a good rest of your day. Good green day for me. Hopefully, same for you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Now it's legit. I waved the white flag. I'm out. Yeah, have a good day, Mercer. Y'all have a good day.